Happy Friday, everybody! Okay, right. Okay, so what's been happening this week? Well, what hasn't been happening? So I've been on the road for a couple of days this week, visiting customers. And do you know what, right? I should have done it a long time ago, because I actually enjoy meeting people face to face. So, if you want to meet me, okay, and you're in the UK, because I'm not going to be, I'm too old for flying, then send me a message and I'll get in my car and I will come and visit you. Tuesdays and Thursdays only. Anyway, so I am in the test room today and we have got a couple of PRP3s and we have a bit of a problem, and that is because this one has the flash card and the little 80 gig HDD. This one does not. Just waiting for a resolution on that. And also we have got now this is actually a Gen 2 PIX firewall. So you've got the PIX Classic, which this one is not. This is the PIX 10,000. And we had to pick this lock because we didn't have a key for it, so that we could take the floppy disk drive out of there. And then Alex said, "Oh yeah, I know, I remember how to open them." We waited weeks only to find that out. But anyway, a little 3.5 inch floppy in there. That's just got the boot image in there. We are going to I'm going to donate that to a friend of ours who has a computer museum. I've got the Gen 1 PIX and the AGS. That's going to eventually go up to Bletchley Park. And that Gen 2 PIX is going to go to another computer museum. But anyway, we'll have a little bit of fun with it first before we do that. So I'm going to have a little walk round to see what's been going on, because I've been out of here for a few days. So what have we got? Absolute stack of refurbished switches going out the door there. Beautifully labelled up. Those have all been resprayed and tested. What have we got here? We've got a Brocade switch here. That's just come in. And old 2960 XR switch. Two things coming up very soon. Yes, we've got some screens there, but those are the ones I'm interested in. We have got 5 room 55s come in. They've come from site. Those will be refurbished, so we'll have to take off the mounting brackets, and we'll have to fix all of this. Those will look brand new again. Then we've got some brackets there. Those are floor stands. And then we've got these two masterpieces here. I'll do a separate video on those. So those two are NCS 5504 systems. Those were going to be, the idea was to recycle those. It wasn't my idea to recycle those. It was my idea to say, no, don't recycle those. We will try and remarket those. So if you have, if you're in the market for Cisco NCS 5504s, please contact me and I'll get you the spec of those. And yes, so but before we go, okay, I've got something good for you to enjoy. Anyway. The girls have dressed up. Happy Halloween, everybody. See you, bye.